All right, today we're gonna install Hardhat, and we do that by I'm gonna look at their documentation. So I'm gonna init npm, and we're gonna say npm installs. Okay, Hardhat is in npm package, and now we're gonna do two things today. One is install Hardhat, just their template, and install Hardhat with NextJS. All right, so first let's install Hardhat, npx Hardhat, and you could choose different options here. So if you have NextJS, you probably choose this option, but today I'm going to choose this option and see what they give us. Hardhat project root. Yes. Do you want to install this sample project dependency? So you have all these dependency, waffle, chai. So you have the testing suite and ether that will help you connect to blockchain. So you have all these tools that will help you with blockchain development. So I'm going to say yes, and we're just going to wait. All right, it has installed everything. So let's see what they've installed in my computer. So let's check out package JSON. All right, so you have all these dependency installed for you. All right. Next, we're going to install NextJS and install Hardhat inside that project. So first, let's create a next app called Sandbox, and it's going to install that, and we just wait until it is done. All right, it's done. So we're going to city into that NextJS. Let's start. All right, so let's see. Let's test if this is running. I'm gonna refresh to make sure it's running. Here we go. All right, so NextJS is running at localhost 3000. And I'm just going to run this command. All right, now I'm going to initialize the Hardhat, and I'm going to create a basic sample project. And yes, basic sample is created, and now I'm going to open up another code editor so you could see visually what files it created. So you created a contract directory. This is where your contract is. So this is where you will write your Solidity. Okay, and you have test folder here where you could test your contracts, and your default next pages are all here, your APIs and your index page and your app. And as you can see, the TypeScript is installed as well. All right, that's it for this video. For the next video, let's look into writing a very, very simple smart contract with Solidity. Bye.